Applications of artificial intelligence in the field of marketing and advertising. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been revolutionizing various industries in recent years, including marketing and advertising. With the ability to analyze large amounts of data and make predictions, AI has become a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their marketing strategies and increase their ROI. In this article, we will explore some of the applications of AI in marketing and advertising. Personalized marketing. One of the most significant applications of AI in marketing is personalized marketing. AI algorithms can analyze customers' behavior, preferences, and purchase history to create personalized campaigns that are tailored to each individual's needs and interests. This approach can significantly improve customer engagement and loyalty, leading to higher conversion rates and sales. Predictive analytics. AI can also be used for predictive analytics, allowing businesses to forecast trends and patterns in customer behavior. By analyzing large amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions about customer behavior, such as which products customers are most likely to buy or which marketing campaigns are most effective. Chatbots. Chatbots are another popular application of AI in marketing and advertising. These virtual assistants can interact with customers, answer their questions, and provide assistance, which can significantly improve the customer experience. Chatbots can also collect customer data, allowing businesses to personalize their marketing campaigns further. Content creation. AI can also be used for content creation, including writing articles, creating videos, and designing graphics. AI algorithms can analyze customer behavior and preferences to create content that is more likely to resonate with them. This approach can save time and money while improving the quality of content. Image and video recognition. AI can also be used for image and video recognition, allowing businesses to analyze visual content and identify patterns and trends. This approach can be particularly useful for social media marketing, where businesses need to analyze large amounts of visual content quickly. Ad targeting. AI can also be used for ad targeting, allowing businesses to show their ads to the right audience at the right time. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can identify which customers are most likely to be interested in a particular product or service, making ad targeting more efficient and effective. Voice search optimization. Voice search is becoming increasingly popular, and businesses need to optimize their content for voice search to stay ahead of the game. AI can help with voice search optimization by analyzing customer behavior and preferences and creating content that is more likely to be picked up by voice search algorithms. Social media monitoring. AI can also be used for social media monitoring, allowing businesses to track the performance of their social media campaigns and identify any issues or opportunities for improvement. By analyzing social media data, AI algorithms can identify which campaigns are performing well, which content is resonating with customers, and which influencers are having the most significant impact. A/B testing. A/B testing is a popular marketing technique that involves testing two versions of a campaign to see which performs better. AI can be used for A/B testing, allowing businesses to test multiple variations of a campaign quickly and efficiently. By analyzing the data, AI algorithms can identify which version of the campaign is most effective and make recommendations for improvement. Fraud detection. Finally, AI can be used for fraud detection in marketing and advertising. With the rise of ad fraud, businesses need to be vigilant in detecting and preventing fraudulent activity. AI algorithms can analyze customer behavior and identify any suspicious activity.